Alright guys, so I'm going to do a quick little model of what I'm looking for when we ask y'all to annotate the article. Okay, so I'm going to I took a screenshot of the article, okay, and then, oh, just kidding. You go to edit, and then you do the little three dots right here and hit markup. Okay, so I'm using my iPad, so y'all should see the same thing. Okay, so we asked you yesterday to do paragraphs 1 through 3. Okay, so what we were looking for or are looking for are look for the author's claim. Okay, what is the author saying? Okay, or do you notice any facts that they give, any reasons? Okay, or opinions or an example. So pay attention to those things. Maybe you want to use different colors for facts or opinions or for the author's claim. Okay, so our end goal is to figure out what the author's claim is. Okay, so what is the author's claim? That's the end purpose of this, okay? But for yesterday was only paragraphs 1 through 3, and for today, y'all are annotating paragraphs 4 through 6. Okay, so I'm just going to do 1 through 3 to show y'all, okay? But remember, guys, the first thing we do when we get an article is you label the text features or graphic features. So I'm already seeing on here the title, okay? What is this called right here, guys? That's a photograph. Okay, so there's no question about it. People around the world love video games. Okay, so that can be true, right? I know a lot of people love video games. Now, you may not, just like me. I don't like video games, but that doesn't mean this is not a true statement. Okay, because people around the world do love video games, okay? And in 2018, the gaming industry made over $43 billion. That's more than the Hollywood movie industry earned, and that was a first. Okay, I noticed right there, guys, that they gave a fact. So in 2018, they made $43 billion. Okay, so that's a fact. That can be proven. Okay, so which games do players love the most? There are gaming sites that keep track of this. They ask players to cast votes online for the best games of the year. One list of top 2019 games included Minecraft, Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Siege, and League of Legends. But the best game of all, the top spot went to Fortnite. Okay, guys, so right there, this right here are facts and examples that he is giving. Okay, so I'm just going to put EX for example. But right here, he's giving reasons on how this is the best game ever. So this can be proven because you can go back and look at the list, and it came out that Fortnite was number 1. Now, that's just from all the people that voted, right? But based on that report, it came out on top. Okay? So, what makes Fortnite sweats love hitting that W key so much? It could be all the cool sayings players use. More likely, though, it's the fact that Fortnite has its own exciting world. And kids aren't the only ones who get drawn in. Loads of adults play Fortnite too. In fact, Fortnite now has more than 200 million players around the world. Well, if you notice that keyword, guys, right there, in fact, so, I mean, they told you fact is coming, right? Fortnite now has more than 200 million players around the world. Okay, that's a fact. It can be proven. Okay, another thing I noticed, guys, is an exciting world. And I'm going to use a different color for vocabulary. Okay, so exciting world. So to me, Fortnite wouldn't be so exciting because I don't like video games, right? But for you, it might be. So to me, those are words. Pay attention to that vocabulary, guys, because it is trying to draw you in and it's trying to get you to see their point on that, thinking that Fortnite is the best. So they're going to use all that vocabulary, cool sayings, exciting world, okay? Pay attention to that vocabulary, okay? So what is the author's claim? What is he trying to get you to see? So pay attention to the vocabulary they use, okay? And so y'all are going to be doing paragraphs 4 through 6, but these are some of the things I'm also wanting to see. I also noticed, guys, that he starts off some of the sentences with questions. Okay? So maybe he's trying to get you to think and then, oh, right. So this is what I want to see, guys. And then when y'all are done with all of the paragraphs, what was the author's claim, and write that down. Okay, so the author's claim was that, and then that's your sentence stem, but go ahead and finish writing that out, okay, guys? So this is what I want to see. Finish 4 through 6 for today, guys. If y'all have any questions, reach out. All right, bye, guys.